Dear students, we are the topic complex number and De Moivre theorem. Altogether object we are handling. In previous class, we have discussed the De Moivre theorem theory, concept, proofs, some examples. Depends upon the concept. We discussed some problems, examples depends upon the concept of De Moivre theorem. CUQ 30 to 33 we have completed. Let us going to discuss whatever the sums I had written on the proof. Now, 50 level 1 class work 50 level 1 class work 50th question 3 into cos 420 not 420 40 3 into cos 40 plus I sin 40 3 into cos 40 plus I sin 40 within brackets and 4 into cos 80 plus I sin 80. Of course, this is easy sum. 3 4s are 12. 12 into 640 into 680. 640 into 680. 640, 6 theta 1 is 6 theta 2 formula, 6 of theta 1 plus theta 2. So 40 plus 80 becomes 120. That is equal to 12 into 6, 120 becomes cos 120 plus I sin 120. That is equal to 12 into cos 120 is, of course it is omega minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. That is equal to 6 into minus 1 plus I root 3. Level 1 class of 50 completed. Now 51. P is equal to cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha. P is equal to cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha. Q is equal to cos 2 beta plus I sin 2 beta. Q is equal to cos 2 beta plus I sin 2 beta. Then find the value of root P by Q minus root Q by P. Root P by Q minus root Q by P. So root P by root Q, directly I am writing root P by root Q minus root Q by root P can be written as cis 2 alpha power 1 by 2 by cis 2 beta power 1 by 2. Cis 2 beta power 1 by 2 minus here cis 2 beta power 1 by 2 by cis 2 alpha power 1 by 2. Cis 2 alpha power 1 by 2. So this can be written as cis alpha by cis beta minus this is cis beta by alpha. Cis beta by cis alpha. This is cis of alpha minus beta minus cis of beta minus alpha. Cis of alpha minus beta minus cis of beta minus alpha. This cis can be understood as cos of alpha minus beta plus I sin of alpha minus beta minus cos of alpha minus beta. This is plus I sin of alpha minus beta. You can write minus I sin of beta minus alpha. By subtracting here cos of alpha minus beta get cancelled. I sin beta minus alpha minus plus I sin beta minus alpha becomes 2I sin of beta minus alpha. Whenever minus is there, you will get only imaginary part. 52. A cube b cube by c square. 52. A is equal to cis alpha. B is equal equal to cis beta. A is equal to cis alpha, B is equal to cis beta, C is equal to cis gamma. Find A cube B cube by C square. A cube B cube by C square. So what is A cube here? That is equal to A cube means cis 3 alpha. B cube means cis 3 beta. Whole by C square means cis 2 gamma. Cis 2 gamma. Cis alpha into cis beta becomes cis of alpha plus beta, and cis alpha by cis beta is cis of alpha minus beta. So you can write here directly this is cis of 3 alpha plus 3 beta minus 2 gamma. That's all. Cis of 3 alpha plus 3 beta minus 2 gamma, second option. Fifty-third question. X is equal to 6 alpha. If X is equal to 6 alpha, Y is equal to 6 beta, Z is equal to 6 gamma, and X plus Y plus Z is equal to 0, then what is the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z? Of course, it is 0. Already we discussed in synopsis 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c concept. Completed. 54. Z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Find the value of z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1. This value is I tan n theta. This is IB sum, Roman number 2, third question, page number 40. See IB. IB sum, Roman number 2, third question, page number 40. See IB. Now, open level 1 homework. Level 1 homework, 50th question. A is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. A is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. And B is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta. B is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta. That implies the value of cos of alpha plus beta. Cos we need. So whenever we need cos, we get real numbers. So we should add two numbers. What is two numbers? Consider AB. AB is equal to cis alpha dot cis beta. Cis alpha dot cis beta. That is equal to cis of alpha plus beta. Now 1 by AB. So 1 by cis of alpha plus beta. That meaning is cis of minus of alpha plus beta. Students, try to understand this is not alpha minus beta. Cis of 1 by cis theta becomes cis of minus theta. So it is cis of minus of alpha plus beta. Now AB plus 1 by AB. AB plus 1 by AB can be written as cis of alpha plus beta is cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin of alpha plus beta. Plus this is also cos of alpha plus beta. This is minus I sin of alpha plus beta. Minus I sin plus I sin get cancelled. So 2 cos of alpha minus alpha plus beta. We need only cos of alpha plus beta. Therefore, cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 2 into AB plus 1 by AB. Hereafter, we can write directly the formula. Directly, we can write the sums using this one. Now, 152. 51st question. One value of one of the value. One of the values of 6 pi by 6 whole by 1 by whole power 1 by 2 plus 6 of minus pi by 6 whole power 11 by 2. That is equal to cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. Whole power 1 by 2 plus cos pi by 6 minus I sin pi by 6. Whole power 1 by 2. If we write this one as 6 pi by 12 plus, we will not give pi by 12 concept. Let us write 6 pi by 12 plus 6 pi by 12 cos pi by 12 plus I sin pi by 12 cos 15 plus I sin 15. If we add, this becomes cos 2 cos 15 2 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And let us use the formula 6 of theta plus 2k pi by n cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1 by n is equal to 6 of theta plus 2k pi by n, where k is equal to 0, 1, this is 11 by 2. Better write in general method. Okay, let us write cos pi by 12 plus I sin pi by 12 plus cos, this is 11 pi by 12 minus I sin 11 pi by 12. Use the formula sin theta is equal to sin 180 minus theta. That implies use maybe 0 it is, and cos 180 minus theta is equal to cos theta. No, it is minus cos theta. Now use cos pi by 12 here plus I sin pi by 12 here. Write like this: cos of pi minus pi by 12 minus I sin of pi minus pi by 12, because sin 180 minus theta concept. That is equal to cos pi by 12 plus I sin pi by 12 plus cos 180 minus theta becomes minus cos theta. It is minus cos pi by 12 plus this is simply minus I sin pi by 12. I sin plus get cancelled. This is cos pi by 12. This is also get cancelled. Answer is 0. He is asking one of the value 51 fourth of. Yes. Now 50 level 1 homework 51 completed. Now 52. 2 cos alpha is equal to x plus 1 by x. 2 cos alpha is equal to x plus 1 by x, comma 2 cos beta is equal to y plus 1 by y. Find x power 10 by y power 12. minus y power 12 by x power 10. Whenever 2 cos alpha is equal to x plus 1 by x, you should consider, you should try to understand that x is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Sure. 1 by x becomes cos alpha minus I sin alpha. Next, y becomes cos beta plus I sin beta. Then only the value is possible. Now, x power 10 by y power 12 minus y power 12 by x power 10 becomes here. This is 6 10 alpha by this is 6 10 beta minus this is 6 10 beta by 6 10 alpha, not 10, this is 12. That is equal to 6 of this is 12. 6 of 10 alpha minus 12 beta, right here 10 alpha minus 12 beta minus 6 of 12 beta minus 10 alpha, 12 beta minus 10 alpha. That is equal to cos of 10 alpha minus 12 beta plus I sin of 10 alpha minus 12 beta minus of cos of 12 beta minus 10 alpha. Of course, it can be written as 10 alpha minus 12 beta. It is cos alpha plus I sin alpha plus I sin of 12 beta minus 10 alpha can be written as minus I sin of 10 alpha minus 10 beta. This is minus I sin of 10 alpha minus 12 beta. Whenever subtracting, you can get this one as 2I sin of 10 alpha minus 12 beta. 2I sin 10 alpha minus 12 beta. That's all. First option. 2I sin, second option. 52nd question. Now 53rd question. 53rd another concept. Okay, let us going to discuss about the square root of numbers, nth root of numbers like that in next class. Now let us finish this numerical concept. Level 2 class 33, 34, 33. Level 2 class 33. Yeah, cos A 2 cos A plus 3 cos B plus 5 cos C equal to 0. Two cos A plus 3 cos B plus 5 cos C equal to 0. 33 level 2 cos 2 cos A plus 3 cos B plus 5 cos C equal to 0. That is equal to 2 sin A plus 3 sin B plus 5 sin C. 2 cos A plus 3 cos B plus 5 cos C is equal to 2 sin A plus 3 sin B plus 5 sin C equal to 0. That implies what is the value of 8 cos 3A plus 27 cos 3B plus 125 cos 3C. This is logical thinking, you can understand K. That is equal to K into cos of A plus B plus C. This is MSET question. Then what is the value of K? K is equal to dash. Right now 2 cos A plus multiply, because this is 0 and this is 0, multiply with I into 0 becomes 0. So add both. Then you can understand 2 into cos A plus I sin B. Comma. Of course, is plus 3 into cos B plus I sin B plus 5 into cos C plus I sin C. equal to 0. So let A is equal to here. A is equal to 2 6A. B is equal to 3 6B. C is equal to 5 6C. Use the formula. A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC whenever A plus B plus C. If A plus B plus C, that implies A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Now, A cube meaning 2 6A whole cube plus B cube meaning 3 6A whole cube plus this is 5 6C whole cube is equal to 3ABC. 3 into 2 6, why this is 2 6A into 3 6B into 5 6C. That implies, now you can write 2 cube meaning 8. 6A whole cube can be written as 6 3A plus this is 27 6 3A plus this is 125 6 3C. This is 3B, not A. This is B. 125 6 3C is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. 96 of A plus B plus C. So compare real part. Compare real part. It becomes 8 cos 3A plus 27 cos 3B plus 125 cos 3C is equal to 90 cos of A plus B plus C. Without writing this all concept, you can understand. Here, cis alpha cis beta cis gamma concept and A cube plus B cube is equal to 3ABC. With that 3 you can multiply 2 into 3 into 5. 3 is 6, 6 is 18, 18 5 is 90. Here 90 meaning option, yeah, he given third option. 33rd question, third option. Now 34. Fourth question. If sigma cos A is equal to 0, sigma cos A is equal to 0 and the t is equal to 0 equal to sigma sin A. So sigma sin A equal to 0, find the value of x power sin of 2A minus B minus C into x power sin of 2B minus C minus A into x power sin of 2C minus A minus B. What is the value? Here sigma cos A equal to 0. So given cos A plus cos B plus cos equal to 0 and sin A plus sin B plus sin C equal to 0. So let A is equal to, I am writing A is equal to 6A in the same concept, multiply with I and adding. A is equal to 6A, B is equal to 6B, C is equal to 6C. C is equal to 6C. So, if that implies we can write A plus B plus C is equal to 0. if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, so right here a square plus b is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Already we said the formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So a cube by abc, right, like this. A cube by abc plus b cube by abc plus c cube by abc is equal to 3. Here you can understand a square by bc plus b square by ac plus c square by ab is equal to 3 plus I into 0, that is equal to a square by bc, meaning cis 2a by cis b, cis of b plus c directly I'm writing, plus cis 2b, cis 2b by cis of c plus a plus cis 2c, cis 2c by cis of a, cis of a plus b, that is equal to cis 2a. You can write here 3 plus I into 0. This one you can understand x power like this. Sin of 2a minus b minus c plus sin of 2b minus c minus a plus sin of 2c minus a minus b. Sin of 2c minus a minus b. Now this is becoming cis of 2a minus b minus c plus cis of 2b minus c minus a plus cis of 2c minus a minus b is equal to 3 plus I into 0. So comparing imaginary parts. Comparing imaginary parts. This is sin of 2a minus b minus c plus sin of 2b minus c minus a plus sin of 2c minus a minus b becomes 0. If it is cos, it is 3. So x power 0, it is 1. Here answer is 1. 34th question, first option. That is 7%. I mean 35%. If alpha comma beta are roots of x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Students, you can write here x is equal to 2 omega. So alpha is equal to 2 omega and beta is equal to 2 omega square. Substitute here 2 omega whole square, 2 omega whole square minus 2 omega minus 2 into 2 omega plus 4, that is 4 omega square plus 4 omega plus 4. So 4 taken common, you can understand 1 plus omega square equal to 0. In the similar way, you substitute minus 2 omega square, it is 4 omega power 4, it is also 0. So alpha is equal to minus 2 omega and beta is equal to minus 2 omega square. You need to calculate alpha power n plus beta power n. To find out alpha power n plus beta power n. So minus 2 omega power n plus of minus 2 omega square power n. So minus 2 power n into omega power n plus omega square power n. Of course it is maybe minus 1. 2 2 answer is not there according to cos pi by 3 answer is there. So you write here minus 2 power n into, write here minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 whole power n plus of minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 whole by 2 whole power n, that is equal to minus 2 whole power n into, this is cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 whole power n plus cos of 2 pi by 3, this is omega square, so this is cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin of 4 pi by 3 whole power n power 4, n pi by 3 is there. Cos 4n pi by 3, sin 4n pi by 3 will not be get cancelled, so better to take roots. This is not easy method. X square minus 2x plus 4. So x is equal to minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac by 2. Of course, x is equal to 2 plus r minus I into 2 root 3 4 minus 16 12 by 2, that is equal to 1 plus r minus I root 3. So alpha is equal to 1 plus I root 3 comma beta is equal to 1 minus I root 3. Now alpha power n plus beta power n, alpha power n plus beta power n is equal to, with 2 you multiply here 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 whole power n plus here also 2 into 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 whole power n, that is equal to 2 power n into, this is direct I am writing cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus this is cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. This is get cancelled, 2 power n into 2 cos power n pi 2 cos n pi by 3, so 2 power n plus 1 cos n pi by 3, 2 power n into 2 cos n pi by 3. So level 1, level 2 class work completed. Let us going to discuss about level 2 homework. Level 2 homework 35, that is tomorrow class. Of course 34, this sum and this sum same question is there. Level 2 homework 35, that is tomorrow class. Level 2 30 is there. Level 2 34, level 2 homework 34 is same as level 1, same as level 2 class work 35. Same question, 2 power n plus 1 cos n pi by 3, that is 34, first option here. It's okay. Now level 2 homework 30th question. Level 2 homework 30th question. A is equal to cis alpha, B is equal to cis beta, C is equal to cis gamma, B plus C into B plus C into C plus A into A plus B whole by ABC, whole by ABC is equal to K cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of beta minus gamma by 2 into cos of gamma minus alpha by 2. So what is B plus C into C plus A into A plus C? So B plus C meaning nothing. So B, what is B? Cis beta plus, if you distribute B plus C by A, B by A plus C by A, it becomes b by a plus c by a. So otherwise b plus 1 plus c by, okay, cis beta plus cis gamma into cis gamma plus cis alpha into cis alpha plus cis beta whole by cis of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Cis beta plus cis alpha. Question number 34. Again wrong. Let us see old material. Level 2 homework. 34th question. Level 2 homework 30th question. Level 2 homework 30th question. A is equal to cis alpha, B is equal to cis beta. Each and everything given. Level 2 homework 30. B plus C. If we write, if answer is 3, shortcut is there. Better to put alpha, beta, gamma, everything 0. Level 2 class of level 2 homework 30. Answer is 3. So let us discuss. Put alpha, shortcut I am writing. Put alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma equal to 0 degrees. So the value of cis beta plus cis gamma. Cis beta means cos alpha, cos beta plus I sin beta, cos 0 plus I sin 0, 1. So 1 plus 1, write like this. Into this is 1 plus 1. Into this is 1 plus 1. Whole by 0 plus 0, of course it is 1. That is equal to k into cos of alpha plus beta, but everything 0. This is also minus. So I mean cos 0, 1. So k is equal to 8. Better to put shortcut. So 2 cube. Otherwise 2 power n if n is equal to 3. 2 cube given 30. Third option. Yeah, students, it's okay. Okay, students, depends upon De Moivre theorem concept. Some conceptual examples we have discussed in level 2, level 3. Of course, level 3 did not touch. Level 2, level 1, class work and homework, everything we have discussed today. Remaining concept, tomorrow we can discuss. The concept is that 1 plus omega square, nth roots of unity, cube roots of unity, properties, sum, addition, product, like that. Depends upon that concept. Next class we can discuss the examples as well. Later we can discuss about theory bits. Okay, students, let us meet tomorrow class.